What is your opinion on YouTube ads that interrupt the video? Okay, so you're talking about the in-stream ad which comes up when you play a video. You get the ads which are skippable after 5 seconds, and also these ads appear between the videos as well. My opinion is they are very good. They work really well, and we run a lot of video marketing campaigns for our clients, so that audience can be reached when they are watching videos on YouTube. Now, many people say they are very annoying. Well, so be it. When you watch TV, you get ads. When you go to the cinema, you have to watch ads. When you read a newspaper or magazine, or wherever you look at, the whole world works on advertising. If there's no advertising, nobody will be selling anything. The annoying bit comes when it is not targeted. If you have got your targeting right, you will get great results, and your audience will look at your ads and won't get annoyed. So they do work wonderfully well. And the good thing is, not many companies, I believe only 9% of businesses currently are using YouTube ads. So there's a huge gap in the market, and I would highly recommend that you get started as quickly as possible.